All right, folks, you're probably watching this video because you just bought an additional set of scales for your North Edge Tools Nomad, and you want to see how to properly swap them onto your knife. If not, that's okay. Stick around because I'm going to show you a cool feature of my Nomad model and how easy it is to customize your knife even further. First, we'll go over what you'll need to change out your scales. Then we'll cover the step-by-step on how to swap the scales. And then at the end, I'll cover some potential difficulties and how to combat those. So here we go. Let's get started. So here is everything you need to swap the scales on your Nomad. Of course, you first need your Nomad and your new set of scales. And then you need at least one T20 Torx driver. I prefer to use two because it can make things a lot easier sometimes if they get really tight. And then optional is a cloth or a rag or some kind of mat to set everything on and to keep the hardware from getting away on you. Because sometimes if you drop them on a hard surface, they can roll off on you. Okay, first step of swapping the scales is to remove these bolts with your T20 Torx driver. So make sure your driver fits, hold the knife securely, keep your fingers away from the blade because obviously that will cut you, and then loosen these bolts. Loosen the bolt all the way and then remove it, set it aside. Flip the knife around and do the same for the other bolt. So we remove that screw. Now the scales are loose on this. So what I like to do is I will hold down the blade and then I just lift off that top scale. And then I will pick it up and remove the second scale. Okay, so now we have the set of scales removed from the knife. We have the hardware, the blade, and then we also have the new set of scales. Grab your new set of scales. They come with some tape holding them together. Remove that piece of tape. And then now is a good time to clean off any debris or gunk that has accumulated underneath the scales of your knife. So grab a clean cloth, wipe that down. And then we're ready to install the new set of scales. So you'll notice that our hardware has a female side and a male side. I like to grab the female sides first and install those into my scale. And I like to take my fingers and put them over the heads of those bolts to keep them from falling out when I flip the scale upside down. And then I will take the knife and put those holes on the hardware until they slip through. So now we have 1/2 of the scale installed. And you can set this down on your towel. And you can take your second scale, line it up with those posts and put it down on the knife, and then you can take the male bolts and put them in top, hold the knife down and tighten those. And then of course the last step is to test it in your sheath, and of course it should work for you just like your old one. So there you go. Now you've swapped the handle scales on your Nomad and they look awesome. Changed the entire look of your knife. You can match your EDC carry. You can customize it in a bunch of different ways without having to buy a whole new knife. You just buy a new set of scales. So in the next section, I'm going to go over some troubleshooting tips and tricks just in case you run into any little hiccups when you're uninstalling or reinstalling your handle scales. Okay, up first, you're going to take your knife apart and the bolt just spins and spins and spins and spins. And you look on the back side of it and you realize it's spinning on the back side as well. It's just spinning and spinning, and it's not loosening up. So the easy fix for that, and why I recommend having 2 Torx drivers, is you can lay the knife down on its spine. Be careful of the edge because the edge is up. And you install a driver in one side and a driver in the other side. And then you just twist one side while holding the other side stationary, and it loosens up. The same goes for if you are tightening these and they're spinning and spinning. I would recommend taking the driver, holding one stationary, and then tightening the other one. So you can get them nice and tight and secured onto your knife handle. Just give them a little tight squeeze, and there you go. Ready to go. Another issue that you may encounter is you've removed both of your top bolts and you're trying to get this face scale off and it just won't budge, either because there's some debris that's gotten caught up in around the posts and it's been kind of binding it up, or I make these by hand, so sometimes things are just a tiny bit tighter on some than on others, and it can make it so they're a little more difficult to remove. So one easy method for fixing that is to take one of your male screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them, screw it in just a couple threads so it is in the barrel of the back post, and then push it out, and then you can remove this one. Another trick for removing those post pieces is to use the tip of your Torx driver and stick it into that hole and then push out on that. And that can help remove those posts as well. And then it'll loosen everything up and you can remove your handle scales. Do not use a razor blade or a knife or anything like that to get in behind the scales. You can cut the edge of the scales or scratch your knife. So do not do anything like that. Don't pry, don't do anything like that. Use the 2 methods I showed you for popping out those posts. So one other thing that I've encountered occasionally when swapping scales is when you go to put these on the posts, they'll go into, like, say, the top one, but the bottom one will be off just a little bit, and it holds the scale off of the tang. And so the best way to remedy that is to go ahead and install your screws into the bottom post part way. We'll get these started. So install your screws part way, and you may have a gap on your handle scale. And then just tighten them down a little bit at a time at each alternating screws. So, go to this top one, tighten it down a little bit, and then go to this one, tighten it down a little bit. But just alternate back and forth until they are tightened all the way down. So there you have it, a pretty quick and easy way to customize your knife and change up the entire look of it without having to purchase a new one. You just buy a new set of handle scales. If you did buy a set of handle scales and you're swapping them out on your knife, I'd love to see photos of it, so make sure you tag me in social media. And if you ran into any difficulties, please shoot me an email or send me a DM on Instagram so I can help you through any installation issues that you had. If you're interested in any of these products or any of my other handmade knives and tools, please check out my website at northedgetools.com and sign up for my newsletter to get notified of new drops and new product releases. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you have a great rest of your day.